So this skillfully-ish video is about how to drink safely on the road and have access to water. When you're on the road, it's very important to have a filter bottle. There are lots out there, but we fell in love with the water to go bottles. We were lucky enough to have Water to Go as our sponsor, and these bottles have a filter in them that can filter out practically anything apart from salt water and urine. To start with, I'm going to show you how to set up this bottle if you decide to get this one or you have any of their lovely selection. Here's a little list of instructions of how to prepare your filter. Basically, all you need to do is, once you've got it in, make sure you run through at least 1 bottle's worth of water just to sort of make sure the filter's working and it's all clear. So this one comes with a time strip, which is in the pack. The strip on your bottle, if you can see, there's a little red line that comes up when you start it. This is the little red line there. Basically, this bar will fill in red as the weeks go on, and that's when you know to change your filter. So once it's placed in, you just, I believe, click there, and now it's activated. So you just fill up your bottle like that, and all is good. All of the filters for the bottles are recyclable. The outer casing for them is made from plastic that can be recycled, and the inside filter is biodegradable. Whilst we were on the road, we filled up from some of the dirtiest waters. We have water from wells, water that had mud in, petrol station water that was grimy. We never got any sickness, any like waterborne diseases, and it helped us to stay healthy on the road. It also meant that we could fill up big containers and just leave them in the car and use that as what we called our grey water and carry that around. So it meant that we could go out into the desert and we could go explore, and we'd have peace of mind that we have access to water. Make sure to head over to the website where you can get one of your very own Water to Go bottles. And don't forget to use our discount code for 15% off, typing in Global Convoy. And this is how you can drink water safely on the road with Water to Go. Skillfully-ish. I forgot to add that in.